Hello everyone, I am Melih. Me and my teammate Atahan decided to implement an annoying game which is FlappyBird. I mostly worked on graphic design and he mostly worked on code design. This is whole game algorithm in one frame. First of all, we designed the basic game loop and write it down the basic functions that we need. After the design process, we started to implement all the functions that we need individually. At the beginning, we created a function to print bird to the LCD screen. To do that, a PNG file of bird image is designed and imported as CRA. This print_bird function is used for printing the bird to a given position, which is determined by the values in registers R10 and R11. For a whole program, R10 keeps bird's current row information and R11 keeps bird's current column information. After that, we designed the function to move bird to another position. For movement of the bird, we kept bird's speed and movement direction in the RAM. And moveBird function uses this information in the RAM to move bird in given direction and given speed. Speed variable determines how many pixels the bird will go in each loop. There is two move direction for bird, up and down, which is same for the original game. Then, to give a falling effect to the bird, we write the check speed function. This function is used to determine bird's next speed. When bird is going up direction, this function decreases the speed of the bird. When it is going down, it increases its speed. So, the bird looks like having gravity effect. For user control on the bird, we use generated interrupt by buttons. When up button pressed, interrupt handler works and changes bird movement information in RAM as up movement and 5 pixels as starting speed. So, whatever the speed and direction has bird, when up button pressed, bird moves up with 5 pixels speed. After that, we needed a function to clear bird's current image on LCD to prevent trace formation. We implemented it as it will clear only bird's pixels and write background color to these pixels. By doing that, we saved performance by not clearing and printing whole screen in each loop.
And another challenging part was implementing moving around and pipes. We created common pattern images for pipes and floor, and we write print functions by using these patterns. To give movement effect, we keep an index value for each pipe and the floor. Each loop this index value decreased, and print functions started to print these objects from decreased index, so the images look like moving. All these printing functions done in the print components function. First, floors printed by using common floor pattern, then all pipes write two column clean to prevent trace when they are moving. Then handle pipes function checks the position of pipes. If the first pipe disappeared, it creates a second pipe and also some pseudo-random number generated to determine position of the gate for new pipe, and after that it takes second pipe's information to first pipe in RAM. Clear score function clears the numbers on top left, which is the old score value, and print pipes function draws pipes to the screen by using information in the RAM. Print score function takes current score value from RAM and prints it into score position. This function uses image of each digit, which are imported as CRAs for printing given score value. After this function, collision check function runs and checks whether the birds collided to upside or downside of LCD. If it collided, it bounces back. Game will not over due to this collision. We implemented this to make the game easier. Then game over check function runs and checks whether any pixel of the bird is in border of second pipe or not. If it is, game ends and main loop starts again. If not, bird is printed and loop continues. For each pipe created, which means the bird passed the second pipe, score increases and game continues. Also, we added a delay to adjust speed of the game. And this is the demonstration of our game.